Hi everybody, my name is Brian Gallagher. I am an assistant professor, special appointed at Meiji University in Nagoya, Japan. Today's activity is going to be speaking with your hands to try and develop students' use of their hands while they're speaking to try to communicate more and more. So, let's begin. The video begins at the start using a TED.com video with an Italian speaker. His name is Ernesto Ciroli, and there should be no more explanation than the one rule that students must follow. Task 1. Copy the gestures of the speaker exactly. So that means if the speaker moves his hands like this, the students must move their hands like this. Okay? So the one rule is the teacher must have the sound off, so only the gestures of the speaker can be understood. Okay? For the students, the one rule is they must not stop. Okay? So do not stop until the video ends. The video ends after 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Click play for the video. While the video plays, all you should do is gesture with the students. Now the best way to do this is have the whole class stand up, everybody move towards the projector and project your video onto the screen. Join in with the students and show them by leading from the front. So stand at the front. When the speaker closes their hands, they close their hands. Look over your shoulder to make sure that students are doing it too. When the gestures happen and they get better and better, and the many things and the many gesturing and the many touches of the head and the looks of surprise, they must all be copied. Remember, the rule is do not stop until the video ends. Enjoy. Do it. Stop the video at 3:11. Ask the question, what was Ernesto talking about? Ask your neighbour. Ask your neighbour, what was he talking about? Do you have any idea, any guesses at all? What was he talking about? Allow a few minutes for them to ask. Maybe you see some gestures of I don't know, or maybe this, or maybe that. So have a look at to see what students are doing, and then ask the students, anybody? Any guesses? Guess? No? Okay, let's try again with the video. Play the video again. This is task 2, so repeat task 1. That's with the sound on this time so that students can hear it. Same rule as before, do not stop until the video ends. And of course, you must copy the gestures exactly the same. Whatever the speaker does, you must do too. Play the video. Stop the video at 3:11. Task 3 is to repeat the question, what was Ernesto talking about? What was he speaking about? Ask the group, any ideas? What was he talking about? He was talking about something like this, and then something like this. What was he talking about? What were the gestures? Can you remember any gestures that he used? Okay, so the next part is we would have students then turn face to face, and we ask the students to practice with our partners 10 gestures. 5 from me, 5 from you. Okay, so I'm going to show you my gesture and then you try to guess what my gesture was. Okay, so with my partner, I say first gesture, and your partner correctly says, call me, or telephone. Okay, then on to you. That's correct. Yes, the gesture was goodbye. And so on, and so on. First me, then you, then me, then you, then me, then you, then me, then you, then me, then you. Next slide, did you get 5 gestures each? Can you show your gesture to me? Show you your gesture. Yes? So come here, come here. In Japanese we use this gesture, but maybe Westerners would use this gesture. Goodbye, hello, thank you, good job. Okay, any gestures are good, just share what the students can know. And now is a time, if you want, you can have teacher to teach some new gestures. Okay, no. Thinking strong, anything at all that wants to know, anything that matches your culture, or any ones that you know from any other culture you want to do. So maybe kind of like Italian cultures, French cultures, anything, touches of the face or whatever. And you can ask students to teach you as well, or to teach each other. You know, Kumiko, please give us one. You know, Tomo, please give us one. And you have a chance to review gestures. So now by this time, all the students have had a very good laugh because they felt very silly doing all their gestures while the video was on. And now, hopefully, students will use gestures more when they are speaking. Encourage your students to be very dramatic with their gestures. I thank you. Okay? Any gesture is good, or fantastic, or good job, great. How am I looking? Okay? Any gestures are good. Try as many as you can. Encourage students to be dramatic. Be dramatic, they feel silly, and then they can tone it down to a comfortable level, and then students will actually use some more of those gestures. And then you can do any other activity that you like, something that involves doing some sort of like gestures. Usually best works with pair work or in a group of 3. Don't go for 4, because 4 usually fragments into 2 pairs, which is best. So you either want to have pair or 3 is the best for doing this kind of activity. Okay, that's all for me. If you have any other good ideas you want to share with me, please see my links at the end. Please email me, contact me, briangallagher@gmail.com for my private research, or briang@mejo-u.ac.jp. And also you can check out my webpage for more resources. There's always things being added to it. Thank you everybody. Good luck.